Nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and y'all already know we came to slay today. Okay. What's up, everybody? Like, I hope you're all having like a really great day when you're watching this video, because we're here to slay on a budget. Today is the day we about to slay on a budget, and we about to look real cute on a budget. This wig is definitely available at Sam's Beauty, so check them out because they always have the latest styles and anything affordable when it comes to synthetic lace fronts. So y'all know how I feel about a good wig. I love a good wig, and this one right here by the Shake-N-Go brand is given easiness. Her name, I do believe, is Elara or Elara. She is in the color P427. There are also other available colors. I really feel like this is one of the easiest wigs. It doesn't show any lace. It's a snatched wig. So this looks like one of those pre-everything wigs, but in a synthetic version where you don't have to do anything but just brush her a little bit and put her on and go out the door. Now, she also reminds me of this other unit that I reviewed, like, I want to think probably like 6-7 months ago, but this unit was a human hair unit, but I honestly feel like she is a dupe for that unit. I'll definitely link the video down below so that way you guys can check it out and just compare the differences. But I love a good budget wig. I love a good wig where you don't have to do anything. This looks so cute on the packaging, so we're gonna go ahead and open her up and see how she do. Okay, we're gonna style her, we're gonna put her on. We're just gonna look really, really cute. I like looking really, really cute. What about you? Okay.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pay us. No way they could never break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they can never pay us. No way they can never break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not.
All right, y'all, she's all done. This is a really cute wig. I do like her. I really feel like her name is Elara. Either way, Shake-N-Go came through. The one thing that I'm really, really feeling about this unit is the texture of the hair. This is definitely giving a yaki texture. hair. I love a good wig, especially if it's synthetic and it just mimics a yaki texture hair. That makes it more natural for me. That makes it more realistic. Girl, that makes it more believable for your girl. Like, I don't mind like the silky synthetic wigs too, but when it has a little bit of texture to it, girl, you definitely in. I love the fact that it just keeps its curl and the long wispy bangs, but for the most part, it's definitely giving, girl. It feels like it's like about 24 inches in length. This is really a cute wig, like for real, for real. Girl, don't sleep on this wig, okay? Full cap, you ain't got to cut no lace. You just take her out and just go comb her, brush her, swoop the bangs the way you want it, and you out the door. I bet you if you put this onto the side, you probably could have a swoop side bang. Either way, she came out cute. I love the texture. She looks very, very natural. Plus, she's super duper affordable. So yes, you guys, check out Sam's Beauty. I will link everything for the Elara Shake-N-Go Snatched Wig collection. This wig is absolutely a must-have, especially for ladies who just love something easy. But I think this is really like a go-to wig. Like, this is a good wig. Like, for real, I love a good wig, girl. Yes, wigs is definitely coming up, okay? Make sure you check out Sam's Beauty. I'll link everything down below. Let me know what you think of this unit. Is she thumbs up? Is she a type of tea? Would you wear this actual unit? Would you cut her? Do you like your bangs long, wispy? I want to know because I'm nosy, okay? I want to know. But I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to this video if you love this content, and I will see y'all in the next one.
No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up.